Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to Chivo Garage. In this one we're looking at the P38 Range Rover again, and if you hadn't noticed, something a little bit suspicious on the bonnet there. So in this one we're going to aim to replace the front air springs with new. I've never done this before. I'm hoping it's quick and easy, so let's crack on. Now the first thing I've done, I've put the suspension down on entry mode, and I've just popped the tailgate there so that it doesn't do anything and it's all inactive, because the popping the tailgate popping any door or tailgate or whatever stops the suspension acting. Then I've just jacked up on the chassis there. It's giving me a bit of clearance there, and the plan is to try and do this with the wheels on. Never done it before. Looks like it's plausible, so I'll see how I get on. Now on these, if we can get in there, you have two clips at the top, here and here, so we're going to pop those off. We've got pneumatic line here, which looks a bit grubby, but hopefully that should be fine. Pop that off, and then just in, this might be a bit difficult with the camera, so bear with. Squeeze you in, there we go. And then, just, I can't see. Yeah, so just there. Give me the other side. No. Just there is a bolt that holds a pin that goes through the bottom of the bags. Now, sorry for the seasickness. When we get a bit further in, I'll show how that pin works on the new spring. New spring, we've got pneumatic fitting there, push fit. This is where those top clips clip in. And then on the back, there's a hole there. This is really bad with the light, where that pin goes through, and you'll notice that there's a D shape to that, so it can lock itself. Right, rest that gently there, and I'll get back to you when I've made a little bit of progress. Catch you in a sec. So possibly not the recommended way of doing it, but that's a quick way of just letting the pressure out of the system. And because the chassis is jacked up, not anything to do with the rolling area or anything, the chassis, we've had no issues with anything moving around or anything. All it's done is let this wheel effectively move back up because there's no weight on the wheel anymore. And that here is just a little push fit fitting that drops into there. So what I was doing, using a pair of side cutters, not putting any pressure on the pipe, just on the collar around the edge of the pipe, gently pushing the pipe in, push the collar down, lift the pipe up. So like any kind of pneumatic or plumbing fitting, this push fit that you've used. So that's that. Now let's move on to those clips on the back. Don't know if I'll be able to get you in there. See how they come out. Right, I've now got those top clips off here. Oops. And I've undone the bolt and pulled out the pin. So then I've just crushed this down nicely, and I can hopefully lift this out and wiggle it out of the car. And having never done this, I have no idea where you do this. Maybe this way. Nope. I think I'll turn the wheel the other way. Let's see if this affords me the room to get that bag out. I'm hoping it might just work its way. There we go, I think we're nearly there. That is a fiddle, and there's one bag out. You can see there it's starting to show quite a few signs of being perished. So there we go. And as good old Haynes manual says, installation is a reversal of removal. So just give that a quick wipe down, pop the new bag in. Right, new bag. New bag. I wonder how this is going to compare. It looks a little narrower, but a boatload taller. So I'm not looking forward to it. Right, which way do I need this D? So if you look rolling off. So you can see the D shape there. A bit of luck. So I need to drop it in and try that. So I'll stop that there because I need two hands. There we go, that's the new bag in. I found the way to get it in is just to squish it a little bit to help it in, then get it in. Then this pin, oops, which I'm not helping with there. This pin here. It just slides in to the bag and gets bolted down. Not too bad. Then pop the clips on the top and we're done. Right then, so there we go. That's new air springs fitted on the front, and with the help of a glamorous assistant, she's now sat at the extended ride height, and let's just take her down to loading level. And there we go. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. And bonus points for spotting the dog in the background, trying to get out to play with it. There we go, just a quick update for from entry to extended height after I've taken the car for a quick run and topped the old air tank back up. Lovely. Plus, I let her sit for a couple of days and the height has stayed completely stable, whereas before she'd have started dropping a bit, so swapping those front airbags out seems to have done the job. Cheers, catch you in the next one.